What are you on the gram? He's looking at like those rated X sites. But anyways, we're gonna go and head over to a car meet somewhere, or I don't know where. I'm just gonna punch it in the GPS and just go over there. Are you going? All right, you can pop the hood on this and see if anybody wants to race you. At least he was honest, that's all I gotta say, right? I was gonna give him some money, but I don't think he takes card. Daytona Beach.
I know, but you're saying the vehicle doesn't go as fast as you would think?
Yeah, no, the vehicle is really, really slow. And I'm out here Daytona Speedway. I think you'd get a faster vehicle. Because I was hoping to come out here and do some street racing.
Are you joking around right now? Because
yeah, I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that was Enterprise for the rental car. They were just calling me to just check and see how everything was going. All right, so we're rolling into this meet. I was about to park over here, but Les told me I need to roll up into this meet and start revving this thing up. You think we can get some street races in?
I'll drive a Mustang too. I'll beat all you guys.
There's a lot of Mustangs out here. Slow ass piece of.
Dude.
Oh, you switch up cameras?
I've been looking for you.
Oh,
yeah.
damn.
I had to show you up, dude.
Oh, well, I can just walk over to the car and I'll just show you up.
What?
I'll be right. Dude, I'll walk you with the Maxima.
Actually, you would. It's on a base tune.
Is it really?
It got tuned on 93, and then I got a base tune for E85 and then filled it up and go back to normal.
Dude, you parked that thing like a pro.
The exhaust looks a little crooked.
Stop, I know.
Is it really?
It's very crooked. It's really bad.
Well, you the single exhaust out the back. It is a little bit. The exhaust came like that. It's got 30-day tags. It was already crooked when she got it.
It was already.
I'd take it back. I'd get your money back.
Why didn't you buy my ST?
Well, I don't know. I mean, it's up north. There's a lot of salt and everything.
There's no
else there.
salt. It's only got 35,000 miles on it. How many miles does this one have?
34,000.
34. Is it ST3? See, mine's
It
ST3.
Have the Recaro seats.
Oh, yeah,
but
it does.
It does not have, you know, the heated steering wheel and the heated mirrors.
Yeah, you need the heated seats in Florida.
Definitely.
Definitely need the heated seats in Florida. But hey, you got sunroof. I don't have that.
The ST3 doesn't come with sunroof.
Mine didn't. Look
I
at
carry
this.
my board everywhere I go. I try to skate anywhere I can.
Can you do a trick for us?
I'll do an ollie. I'll do
an ollie?
The shittiest ollie you've ever seen in your life.
Alright, let's see this ollie.
Alright. Let's see what I got here. See what kind of ollie I got today, boys.
Oh.
Not the best ollie.
We'll edit that part out.
Take two. I can't do anything right now.
She had a few
before
drinks.
I came here.
Look at this. She marked out the 8 and made it 3.
It seems more legit that way, you know.
It's more legit.
I don't think that.
Well, you know, I'm
is...
putting the 600 one on mine.
Yes, and I think, I mean, it'll be worth it once you have our blower on it.
Look at this weirdo over here walking around with a camera. Who does that? We ran into Brian, and we wanted to say hi to his brother Jonathan. He's a subscriber. What's up, Jonathan?
What's up, Jonathan?
So let's tell one of his deepest, darkest secrets on the vlog. Let's do this. All right, we're gonna cut this part.
I tell Andrew no
all
all
right,
the time.
do it for the vlog.
Drift mode. Right
You're gonna
here,
pull out
right now.
Okay.
Drift mode.
What are you doing?
Nothing in this parking lot.
YouTube crew right here. You guys want to plug your channels? No one cares. Anyways, what's your channel?
Adeline Garage, guys. Focus Racing, Mustangs, you know.
And this is your partner?
Yep.
Yeah.
The two Anthony's.
2011 GTCS and
13 Focus SE with a whole bunch
I
of
do a lot of
stuff to it.
racing stuff. This guy is like my mentor when I go out racing.
You probably don't want to tell him that he's your mentor, because now people probably won't check your channel out because...
yeah.
No, I'm just
because
kidding.
Andrew sucks.
Yeah.
DBP 6-month interior swap coming at you.
I literally was screaming at that video.
Where's the boost? Come on.
Oh, his buddy got a blower or supercharger, and Derek's just saying it's his.
You know
So he
what?
lied
That
in
makes
that
so
video.
much sense.
He lied in that video then, you know. He had
So,
all
and
the
if you haven't
boxes.
already, Mustang Lifestyle, he's gonna put the card right up here.
Yeah.
You're gonna go click it,
where the-
and you're gonna watch the 700 plus wheel horsepower build on the Cobra over there. And then I'm gonna go drag JD's ass tomorrow. So
Really?
there's that. Yeah. I heard his GT500 is gonna make like 400 wheel horsepower. It's gonna get
It
dragged.
should make 425.
Poor Derek, we're talking like 400 wheel horsepower. That's all his car could have make.
Oh, dude, that's wrong.
Completely 2-valve life.
He's all right. He's a nice kid.
He's a nice kid. He's a nice little boy.
What's going on?
We're going to get some food.
Food. We just ate.
We're hungry. Are we going with them and are we taking your grandmother?
We got to go to that wing place. The wing place.
The one back by the...
She works there, and she just told us about the awesome wing place.
Yes.
Wing
Is it
house.
good? Yeah. Okay. I got a feeling we're staying at least an extra day.
Oh, you gonna let me take yours for a drive? Sure. All right. You guys later.
Yeah, of course. That's how that goes.
We're heading out of this meet. We actually hung out here for a really long time. We're gonna head back, but tomorrow I'm gonna head back over to VMP. We're putting the car on the dyno. So we are actually heading over to VMP right now. This is the most exciting part. The car is going on the dyno. If you saw the previous video, they put the car on the dyno, got it all strapped down, but it was towards the end of the day, so they didn't have enough time to, you know, dyno it. So we're gonna do it first thing this morning. It is about 9:30. They said they were gonna start tuning the car around 9 o'clock. It's 9:30 now. I'm running late. I'm always late. Anybody that knows me, they know that I'm always late. So if you guys didn't check out the previous videos or you haven't seen the previous vlogs, you need to check them out to get an update and see what all is going on with the car. So as of right now, basically we pulled the Whipple off. We changed the Whipple, the throttle body, and we're going with a VMP. We're gonna see how much power we can get out of this car on pump gas. I'm only doing a pump gas tune. I had a race gas tune before, never used it. I'm trying to shoot for 800 wheel horsepower on 93 octane, and I'm slamming my brakes. That's why the camera just slid. So the goal is a true 800 to the wheel on pump. So that's what I'm shooting for, and I will see you guys as soon as we get over to VMP. Oh shit. All right, Joe, for the vlog, what's your prediction?
375.
375. I like that.
Sounds pretty solid, right?
Right. Yeah, well, I was hoping to break 400, that's all.
Well, I don't have to do 400 in this heat. It seems a little excessive.
Right, right. That's loud. Better. Listen to that. It sounds good, doesn't it? Yeah. We are rolling out of VMP. Woo! Oh gosh. It feels like a whole different car, even just driving it around normal. But we're heading out. As you can see, it's starting to rain. So right now, we're not gonna be able to do anything fun. So we're just gonna have to drive normal. On pump gas, this thing made 776 to the wheel and 776 torque. That's insane. The torque is, that is ridiculous. Before I said in this video, I said I just wanted to get a nice healthy 800. I think that's good enough. On my way back to the RV, we're gonna go grab Grandma. We're gonna go get something to eat. We found our new spot, didn't we, Les? Right?
Okay.
Look who we run back into, Taylor. We found her. Instagram plug right there below. There we go.
Not as close as your grandma's gonna get to a strip club.
Is that good? What'd you think of the wings? Or the food? The salad? You got the salad.
Yeah, I got
It
salad.
was good. We're rolling out.
I just finished salad with the shrimp.
What'd you think, Les?
It was really, really good.
Mike with VMP actually came over, joined us, had some drinks with us. Super cool guy. And we're about to roll out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I'm about to find a rental car.
Oh, she's looking for some rims. I've never seen this anywhere before. They've got these, what is it called, roll and rent, where you can rent rims for your vehicle?
Is it rent wheels or something?
Rent wheels? We're gonna ride by this rent a rim place. What happens if you don't pay for the wheels? They like come and just jack them off your car, like if you miss a payment. What do you think? What's the biggest size you think we could fit on this?
You could probably get some 24s on here.
What do you think, Mammal?
30.
30? Damn.
Like
So
big.
so you gonna tell me you want some 30-inch rims
Yeah.
on the Ultima?
Yeah, well, I think we're in a pickup truck.
Yeah. We're over here in Daytona. Right there's the racetrack. I don't know if you guys can see it. Daytona International Speedway. Oh, look at that Mustang. There's the Welcome to Daytona Beach sign. So after talking with Mike with VMP, I realized he actually brought to my attention that my car probably would have read higher too on the dyno if it wasn't for the 410 gears, because the 410 gears are so short. You know, you have like 373s or 355s or something like that, it would read higher. And then plus also, he said with the drag radial too, makes the car read a little bit lower.
Guys here at the rental car, they probably have it
Oh, the right tires that we need?
for your
You can
Mustang.
rent some tires.
Rent some tires to
Burn
go.
them all up
Put
and
it on
send
the
them back. Tell them
Mustang
to
with a
jump.
drag radial.
Yeah, maybe we can go rent some tires and then go and read dyno. I guess the next step for the GT500 is I think I want to swap over to like a 373 gear, maybe a street tire set. I definitely want to do a street tire setup. I think I might end up selling my weld setup. So if anybody's looking for a set of welds that look badass,
You can rent them.
I can rent. Yeah, if anybody wants to rent my wheels, I will rent them to you for $1,000 a week. You think good price?
Good price.
Go ahead, we're gonna wrap this video up, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will catch you guys in the next video.